Hello viewers, here we have a Uniden 900 megahertz telephone. This is model EXP2903, and what I found somewhat interesting about this particular telephone is that the antenna is quite long compared to what they usually are. Of course, it's kind of hard to see because it's very hooked, unfortunately. That's shipping damage. Anyways, I think I paid 99 cents for this, so can't really complain. It did come with a cradle, which is really cool. This is the cradle it came with. There's not many of these cradles around, but we happen to have one here. And with the longevity of these batteries, and you could talk 7 hours on this thing, and it would hold on standby for 7 days. 14 days. I don't really understand why people bought these. Perhaps that's why there's not many of them around, because there wasn't much of a use for them, but it's cool to have. So anyways, let's see, the battery I believe is original. It's from January of 2001, June 2001, and it's batteries made by GPI, so it still works. So let's plug in the phone line here and give this a test. Everything seems to work flawlessly. There we go. Testing. One, two, three. Hello. 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 Test. 1, 2, 3. Check. Okay. Hello. Testing. Check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That does seem to be working correctly. Let's see what kind of volume levels we got here. Okay, that was all the way loud. This is the quietest setting. Turn it up one more notch, and I believe this is full volume. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that seems to work. You have redial. Let's see here. That sounds a bit different than it normally does. It's like a little bit of a lower frequency. Interesting. Okay. Let's call it. See if I can remember what my telephone numbers are. Hello. Does seem to be working. Alright. Guess we can do this. That's working. seem to be that the memory function works. Those are not stored. Alright. That looks good to me, so we're going to go ahead and get this refurbished now. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.